For this year's CES, I got to visit LG's brand new headquarters in New Jersey. There were cool installations, an interactive aquarium, new friends to be drawn, and more friends. And what I saw next blew my mind. Some bomb deviled eggs. Just kidding. We got a first look at a ton of new TVs, and a first of its kind. Behind me, we've got something very special. LG's been making OLED TVs since 2013, but this is the first time it's ever been this small. It's a 42-inch. Why would you want a 42-inch TV? Well, if you're a gamer or a video editor like me, having this compact size with the picture quality is the perfect option. This TV's got that A9 Gen 5 AI processor that you're gonna see in the other OLEDs this year. LG TVs are actually CNET's preferred TV for gamers, and that's because they have a few different abilities. And specifically this year, there are abilities to lower the amount of blue light. There's a dark mode that makes the picture quality coming from the TV easier on your eyes. If you're a gamer, you know those times when you're really in a game and you start crying and your eyes start to burn. There's also new controls and options that are right on screen, making it easier to get to those controls. And there is a 5th gaming preset. Now they've added sports. On that gaming note, there is the Ultra Gear speaker that LG is promoting with their TVs. It's a portable speaker with customizable LED lighting. It's got multiple sound settings for different types of games like first-person shooters. It's got a microphone in the center, and you can easily switch between headphones and the speaker. No word on price for the 42-inch just yet, but if it's any indication, there isn't a big price difference between the 48-inch and the 55-inch, so I expect the 42-inch to be priced out similarly. Normally, I'd recommend a larger OLED for your living room, but if this is going in your office, your studio, or just a small space, this could be a really great option for you. If you'd like to learn more about this and any of the OLEDs we've covered this year at CES, be sure to check out that link down in the description. I'm Justin for CNET, and I'll tech you later.